Hello there, viewers and viewettes. We have for checkout a Uniden XCA4500 25-channel cordless extender-phone with the infamous digital Digitan answering system. Now, just a quick shout out to Jordan New and Aaron Dunning if they're watching. I'm not saying that Digitan to be offensive or insulting or anything, but rather I'm just very thankful for your YouTube channel. Very good to bring back memories. So I've had a long obsession with phones since I was little, and I miss those days, and that's what led me to get this and see if it becomes popular. So what we're doing now is I'm kind of hurrying it up. I'm gonna do some unboxing. May have to put the camera down. Now, interestingly, the guy who sold me this, it was on an eBay, did not provide the original box, but he was sure to bring the user manual. I have it wrong. Okay, here we go. It's in English now. XCA4500 integrate telephone answering device. And apparently it was supposed to be black, because it is black in this picture. Now, I don't know if Uniden sold the black model, or maybe somebody can clarify, but let's see on the back, see if it says anything about when it was made. So we see Uniden covered under one or more of the following US patents. Okay. There's the model number you can see. I'm trying to see if it says a date code, but I don't see a date code. There is an FCC ID. Oh, it's made in Philippines. That's odd. Usually they're made in China. So this is quite a novelty, I think. One of the most exciting novelties. Okay, let's not waste any time. I'm going to start by installing the handset battery, if it's good. So let me see how I can possibly... Yeah, my camera's all over. And the handset's pretty interesting, as you can see, the shape, this little boot-like. I wonder if this can stand up. Let's do a test. And oh, it's on a slippery iPad, but yes, it can stand up. Okay, let's what we're going to do now is we're going to insert the battery, if it's any good, into the handset. And as you can see, before using the cordless telephone, I can get it to see, it says to charge for 15 to 20 hours. That's a pretty long time. I think they reduced it later on, or made it longer, I can't remember, but let me... Okay, so I got the cover off. Now I'm going to install the battery. If I can find the battery in here. Well, there's a 9-volt battery, which I don't know where the oh, here's the handset battery. Okay, there's the handset battery. Let's see what the specification says. Maybe I need to flip it upside down. Okay, so we got the RSBC seal. It's like a BT185. I'm having a hard time reading it, and probably you can't see it either, but this must be the original battery. I wasn't even boxed when he sold it, so this might work, it might not work, but let's see what happens. So I'm going to put the camera down while I insert the battery. 1 second. Connectors are weird. Tune it in for you. Battery's installed. Now we get it loaded inside. not sure how to fit this thing. This is gonna take a little time. Yeah, this is gonna be long. I might cut it. Here we go, the battery's finally in. Now just replace the cover. But where did I put the cover? That's the question. Well, the buttons aren't working. I'm trying. I wonder where I put the cover, though. That's... So I'm going to slide this off. So we can extend the antenna, because these are the old telescopic rod antennas. I think Uniden changed that with their 900s. Oh, I've never seen so much styrofoam in my life. Oh my god, look at this. Let me put the camera down again, just... It's coming off slowly, but it's happening. I suppose you'd like to see me do it, so let's see if I can't wiggle it. Get some scissors. Yeah, Uniden really packaged this well. I don't know how they expected people to remove it, but I hope it won't affect the range, because I'm gonna leave this attached. This video is already long. It's taken 10 minutes just to do the unpacking, so maybe I'll make a separate video with the unboxing, because this is, I mean with the initial checkout, because this is really getting to me. Yeah, I'll try to get some scissors, so I'll finish the rest of the installation. I'll install the base battery right now, but I'll get some scissors to cut off the video, or the little thing, and when I do, I will make another video. Hopefully this thing comes off. I hope I don't need to screw. Oh, it does, good. Okay, put that off here. I'm gonna install the battery real quick. Supposedly these things had the battery to save messages. It wasn't. Where do you clip it to the... That's weird, there usually is a cap. Toshiba, made a model that was like a precursor to this Uniden. I don't know if this was the original battery or was their Uniden battery, although I don't think Uniden made... Okay, here we go. I think I got it in properly. Okay, let's get the cover. I will unplug the plug in the AC adapter just so you can see how it powers up, and then I will see you in an initial checkout video. Okay, I guess that's as tight as it'll go. Okay, let's plug this bad boy in. I do not have a landline, so I can't call it up, unfortunately. But what I will do is I will plug it in, and maybe this will come off while I'm doing it. Okay, here's the base station with the adapter. This is the original adapter. The adapter is at Uniden. I'm surprised the battery is at Toshiba. That's pretty interesting, but you can't read that text. But to avoid making a long video, I'll just reach over real quick, plug it in. Huh. And how did they think? How in the world did they ever think? Yeah, that's easy. That's pretty easy. Okay. So where does this go? Well, it must be here. Okay. And then this part. And again, I didn't remove this, but who cares? Who cares? It doesn't matter. Okay, let's... I thought... Well, whatever. I made it temporarily so we can... Practically unplug everything I have here. Okay, here we go. It's flashing a P. I'm guessing the P is for power. Just press any button. Why is the battery light flashing? Did I maybe not install it correctly?
12 a.m. Monday. Remaining time 13 minutes 42 seconds.
That's a female voice. That's pretty interesting. Okay. Well, I'll see you in the initial checkout video. This is already too long. Later.